Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an email address in Google Forms. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser, which I'll be using for the course of this video, and then just type in your search bar Google Forms. And as you can see, all right, I'll just click on enter. Now, remember, if you already have a Gmail address like I do over here, all right, you automatically have access to a Google form and you do not need a whole world of signing in procedure. So you just head over to the first link over here and click on sign in, and it will take you straight up to your Google form dashboard. So this is what it looks like. Ensure you have a Gmail address or a Google Gmail login into your system, and then it will just be a straightforward and simple step. Now, Google Forms is a free online tool from Google that allows you to create forms, quizzes, surveys, and questionnaires easily. It's part of Google Workspace alongside Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Drive, and it's very crucial in carrying out a lot of activities. Now, the first thing we want to do in order to add an email to a Google form is to start a new form. So, what you want to do is click on this plus sign over here, which is a blank form, all right, and then you will get straight into it. Remember, emails are important in Google Forms because they help you identify, communicate with, and manage your respondents. So, this is how you get to create your own personalized email address in your Google Form. Head over to settings right here, the third option at the top part of this Google Form. When you click on that, you just go down, all right, to responses. So this is how you can manage your responses in your Google form. You click on the drop down option over here and you see collect email address as the first option stated here, and it's on do not collect. So we are going to correct that, and we're just going to put up responder input, because when you open this up, it will give you access to receiving email responses or to add your email address to Google Form. So I'll click on that, and as you can see, let's go back to our Google Form, and you would see that it's been automatically added. All right, so this field was not here initially, and as you can see, the email address field has been created in my Google Form, and I can decide to come over here to change setting on how I want it to be and just to personalize that. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to add an email address to your Google Form. Until next time, bye for now.